Everybody fucking jump!
All right, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show started. See this red Nike box. Let's get you guys a little bit of the label action. I don't know what happened to the little price tag. Let's focus. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Mid Fearless Black Gem Red and White, aka I think this is the Come Fly With Me Air Jordan Fearless 1 Mid Come Fly With Me. Get this bad boy out here. It's a classic shoe. I just had to look at it a bit, guys. I apologize. My phone just went off too. Let me check it. Just waiting on some mail. Get this light out at the same time. This Jordan right here is all suede or nubuck, whichever you want to call it as well. Black stitching throughout, or red stitching throughout the black shoe. I apologize. Kind of a plastic black Nike swoosh. You get a pair of laces that says, some say man was not meant to fly. You get an extra pair of normal red laces. Jordan logo up top, as you can see as well. Only thing I don't like about this shoe is the white midsole. Black all back with red stitching. You'll see closer when I cut the light on. Same thing on this side of the shoe. Nothing really spectacular. It's a pretty good shoe if you can find it. I can't remember the year these came up. I just found them sitting around. I haven't ever taken them out the box since I bought this pair. I have a wearing pair. This will be my staring pair. Because I want to expand my Jordan 1 collection some more. Like I said, materials on here are all nubuck. It's the outstanding shoe, or suede or nubuck. To get you guys a look at these laces. I hope you can make those out. Some says men are not meant to fly, or something to that effect. Nothing special on the shoe other than that. Like I said, you get the all suede or nubuck. The red stitching. Let me get a little bit closer so you guys can make that out. See a little red stitching and the little plastic type Nike swoosh. Or red Jordan or Wings logo. Outstanding shoe, guys. Like I said, if you like Jordan 1 mids, this is one of the better Jordan 1 mids in my opinion. All back with the red stitching. Same on this side of the shoe. You know, as the opposite, there's more red stitching. No Nike swoosh though. With no plastic one. It's just a standard red shoelaces. Let me show you the just standard Nike swoosh on this side. No plastic one. All red Jordan 1 bottom. Give you guys a look at this shoe, what it's going to look like when it's on your feet or foot. Extra laces. Black laces in the shoe. Let you guys see which one you prefer. Alright, let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day. I just was told that if I get enough subscribers and view time, I could probably get some cash. So if you're watching this video to the end, please like and subscribe to this channel. Help your boy get paid a little bit of that cash. Everybody, again, stay safe and have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!